Hello, how are you doing today?
Hi, I am doing very well, thank you. How about you?
I am great. It feels like a good day to talk and practice English.
Yes, I feel the same. I am happy to practice with you today.
That sounds nice. By the way, what is your name?
My name is Daniel. What is your name?
My name is Emma. Nice to meet you, Daniel.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada. What about you?
I am from Australia.
That is wonderful. Do you live in a big city?
Yes, I live in Melbourne. It is a busy and beautiful city. Where do you live?
I live in Vancouver. It is calm, clean, and close to nature.
That sounds lovely. Do you like living there?
Yes, I do. I like the fresh air and the parks.
How old are you?
I am 24 years old. And you?
I am 22 years old.
That is a great age to learn and explore new things.
I agree. Are you a student or do you work?
Right now, I am a student. I study business and communication. What about you?
I work part-time and I also study English in the evening.
That sounds busy. Is it hard to manage both work and study?
Sometimes it is hard, but I try to stay organized.
Why are you learning English?
I am learning English because I want better opportunities in the future. I also want to travel and speak confidently. Why are you learning English?
I want to improve my speaking skills. I can read well, but I want to speak more naturally.
That is a very good goal. Speaking takes time, but practice helps a lot.
Yes, I believe daily practice is the key.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I do. I listen to English podcasts, watch videos, and repeat sentences aloud.
That is a smart method. I also write new words in a notebook.
Really? That is a good idea. Do you review the words later?
Yes, I review them before sleeping. It helps me remember better.
I should try that too.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. What about you?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you wake up easily?
Not always. Sometimes I want 5 more minutes in bed.
I understand that feeling very well.
What do you do first in the morning?
First, I drink a glass of water. Then I wash my face and brush my teeth.
That is a healthy start. I usually stretch for a few minutes after I wake up.
That sounds relaxing. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. I think breakfast is important.
I agree. What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs, toast, and fruit. Sometimes I drink coffee. What about you?
I often eat oatmeal and bananas, and I drink tea.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea because it makes me feel calm. What do you prefer?
I like coffee in the morning, but tea at night.
That is a nice balance.
How do you go to school?
I usually take the bus. Sometimes I walk if the weather is nice. How do you go to work?
I go by train. It is usually fast, but sometimes it is crowded.
Do you like public transportation?
It is useful, but I prefer walking when I have time.
Me too. Walking helps me think clearly.
What do you usually do during the day?
I attend classes, take notes, and talk with my classmates. After that, I go home and study.
You sound very disciplined.
I try my best. What does your day look like?
I work in the morning, rest a little in the afternoon, and study English in the evening.
That is a productive day. Do you ever feel tired?
Yes, sometimes. But when I see progress, I feel motivated again.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English because it opens many doors. What is yours?
I like communication studies because I enjoy learning how people express ideas.
That is interesting. Good communication is important in every part of life.
Exactly. It helps in school, work, and friendships.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do. I enjoy reading simple novels and self-improvement books.
Nice. I like short stories and books about real life.
Do you read in English?
Yes, but I choose easy books so I can understand better.
That is a smart way to learn.
Do you watch English videos too?
Yes, I watch interviews, lessons, and travel videos.
Travel videos are fun. They teach language and culture at the same time.
That is true. They also make me want to visit new places.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I do. There are 5 people in my family.
That is nice. Who do you live with?
I live with my parents, my younger sister, and my grandmother. What about you?
I live with my parents and my older brother. Are you close to your family?
Yes, very close. We eat dinner together almost every night.
That sounds warm and happy. Do you help at home?
Yes, I do. I clean my room, wash dishes, and sometimes help with cooking.
That is good. I also help with housework. I sweep the floor and organize things.
It feels good to help the family.
Yes, it does.
Can you cook?
Yes, a little. I can cook rice, pasta, eggs, and soup.
That is more than a little. You can already make many meals.
Thank you. Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple food. My best dish is fried rice.
That sounds delicious.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is grilled chicken with rice and salad. What about you?
I love pasta and homemade soup. Do you like spicy food?
A little, but not too much.
Same here. I prefer food with simple and fresh flavors.
Do you eat healthy food most of the time?
I try to. I eat vegetables, fruit, and drink a lot of water.
That is good. I am also trying to eat better these days.
Healthy food gives us energy for study and work.
Yes, and it also helps us feel better.
What do you do after dinner?
After dinner, I usually take a short walk or review my lessons. What about you?
I often talk with my family, then I study for 1 hour.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, evenings are usually my quiet time.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. I like soft pop and acoustic songs.
I like calm music too, especially when I study.
Music can really change the mood.
Definitely. It can make a hard day feel easier.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I do. I enjoy reading, walking, and taking photos. What about you?
I like drawing, playing football, and listening to podcasts.
That is a nice mix of creative and active hobbies.
Thank you. Hobbies make life more enjoyable.
Do you play sports often?
Yes, I play football on weekends with my friends.
That sounds fun. I do not play many sports, but I like going for long walks.
Walking is also very good exercise.
Yes, and it helps me relax.
What do you do on weekends?
On weekends, I sleep a little longer, clean my room, meet friends, and sometimes go shopping. What about you?
I visit my cousins, play football, and sometimes watch a movie at home.
That sounds like a nice weekend.
Yes, I like simple weekends.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Only when I need something. I don't like crowded places too much.
I understand. I like bookstores and small cafes more than malls.
Me too. Quiet places are more relaxing.
What kind of weather do you like?
I like cool, sunny weather. It feels fresh and comfortable. What about you?
I like spring weather. It is not too hot and not too cold.
Spring is beautiful. Flowers start to bloom and everything feels new.
Yes, it gives me positive energy.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes, yes. I like staying inside, reading a book, and drinking tea.
That sounds cozy. I also like the sound of rain at night.
It can be very calming.
Do you travel often?
Not very often, but I enjoy short trips with my family.
Where do you like to go?
I like mountains, lakes, and quiet towns. What about you?
I like beaches and cities with old buildings and local markets.
That sounds exciting. Traveling helps us learn many things.
Yes, especially when we speak with new people.
Do you use social media a lot?
Not too much. I try to use it carefully.
That is probably a good habit.
Yes, too much screen time makes me tired. What about you?
I use it a little, mostly to talk with friends and watch short educational videos.
That sounds useful.
What are your future goals?
I want to become confident in English, finish my studies, and get a good job. What about you?
I want to improve my English, travel abroad, and maybe start my own small business one day.
That is a strong goal. I hope you achieve it.
Thank you. I hope the same for you.
What helps you stay motivated?
I think about my future. I also remind myself that small progress every day becomes big progress later.
That is very true. Consistency is more important than perfection.
Exactly. Even 20 minutes of daily practice can make a big difference.
I completely agree.
Do you think learning with a friend is helpful?
Yes, definitely. Learning with someone makes practice more fun and less stressful.
I feel the same. We can correct each other and stay motivated.
And we can also share ideas and new vocabulary.
What new word did you learn recently?
I learned the word consistent. It means doing something regularly without stopping. What about you?
I learned the word confidently. I want to speak English confidently.
Great word. It matches your goal perfectly.
Thank you.
Do you enjoy long conversations like this?
Yes, I do. They help me think in English instead of only memorizing sentences.
That is such a good point. Real conversation is better than only repeating short lines.
Yes, because it feels more natural and practical.
I agree completely. What time do you usually sleep?
I usually sleep at around 10:30 p.m. What about you?
I try to sleep at 11 p.m.
Do you sleep well?
Most nights, yes. When I avoid my phone before bed, I sleep better.
That is a good habit. I should do that more often, too.
Do you feel happy with your life these days?
Yes, I do. Life is not perfect, but I am grateful for many things.
That is a beautiful way to think.
Thank you. What about you?
I feel hopeful. I know I still have many things to improve, but I am moving forward.
That is what matters most. Step by step is enough.
If you could give one piece of advice to English learners, what would you say?
I would say, do not be afraid of mistakes. Speak, listen, repeat, and keep going. What advice would you give?
I would say practice every day, even for a short time, and believe in yourself.
That is very good advice. I really enjoyed talking with you today.
I enjoyed it too. This conversation was helpful and relaxing.
Yes, it felt natural and useful.
We talked about many topics, and that made the practice more interesting.
Exactly. I think this kind of conversation is great for improving fluency.
I agree. It helps with speaking, listening, and confidence.
Shall we practice again tomorrow?
Yes, of course. I would love to continue.
Great. Next time we can talk about travel, dreams, and future plans in more detail.
That sounds amazing. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. Keep practicing and stay confident.
Thank you. You too. See you next time.
See you next time. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.